Hi, my name is Stephanie, and Renovating KC helped us with our outside patio and deck revision. Our family was at a stage where we wanted to kind of get our quote forever home, and while we loved the inside of the home and the pool, the deck was horrific. It was terrible. It was a little bit of wood, a little bit of concrete, and it was rickety. Knowing this was going to be our forever home, we really wanted to create an outside living area. Since this didn't have one, we knew we needed to get one built, and we had a time crunch to have the deck and everything put together. Renovating KC was fantastic in not only helping us create the vision, but they made us feel so comfortable. The fact that they committed to a timeline and not only hit the timeline, worked through bad weather, did whatever they could, knowing how important that date was for us. Every week we were given an update on what work had been accomplished and what was planning to be done the next week. Well, this is the new favorite area of our entire home. Our regular house is lovely, but when people walk out here, it's like, oh my gosh. I mean, especially people who have maybe seen what it was before, they are mind blown. There's a lot of living going on in this room right now. And the fact that we can go straight down to our hot tub, it is a nice patio too. Again, it made it perfect. And so having a bigger space that everybody can have a place to sit down at, and everybody can be outside, out by the pool, whatever it is, it's been a godsend. Do it. Just so simple. I would absolutely say you will be so pleased with not only the craftsmanship, because it's done nicely, the process that you go through in working with them. I would put their process, their team, and their communication up against any of them. And not only were they right on it, they came out the next day. I mean, so that just set the tempo and the expectation, and it was not only met, but it was exceeded. I, Stephanie, definitely recommend Renovating KC.